Wow, that was fast, right? Hey everybody, this is coming from Stuff, and today we're going to be unboxing the Realme 3. So it's releasing today as you're watching this, and we'll have all the official details on our website. So let's just get straight to the unboxing. Alrighty, so here we go. Make a little tiny cut. Plastic. Goes away. Let's open this up. Right, there we go. Alright, standard silicone casings, manuals, some information guides. You know the drill. And there we go. We already have the phone right there. So the one that we have, right now is the radiant blue version. Well, radiant is the right word. So just look at that. Glorious. Look at that, how it glows. I'm just gonna take this sticker off too. Yeah, so we're just gonna, hopefully it turns on. We'll leave it turning on, and just gonna move on to the rest of the box. Let me just put it nicely all together. The card. Okay, so, charger, nothing much to it, and cable. And yep, it is USB, micro USB. So no USB-C. Not surprising that this is a entry to mid-range kind of phone. So yeah, okay. So it's running the Color OS 6. Oh, that was fast. It's gone. But they're saying that Color OS has been getting more and more like the stock Android experience. So it has the app drawers and all that. In terms of the design, they're calling it a unibody design, so you can kind of tell it's just kind of one element and then just the display. So unibody, I suppose that's what it means. For this color, I'm not sure about the other colors as of now. So it has this gradient design. You can see dual tones. It's like a nice sky blue to a deeper blue kind of way. As for the camera, it's a 13+2 megapixel camera setup, and inside the camera app itself, it has the the night mode, and they're really pushing the AI component for cameras now. And we did get some sample shots before, well, not from the phone, but it was leaked, that showed some pretty impressive results. So I'm eager to test it out myself, especially for the night mode, which a lot of companies do and say that they're really impressive, but doesn't come out that great. So yeah, I'm really hoping to try that out. So this is the global version, and it comes with the Helio P60, which is different from the India version, which comes with the P70 instead. So the performance isn't as great as the India version, but it's not going to be extremely far off. It still runs on 3 or 4 gigs of RAM, so we're all good from there. And the battery life is extremely impressive. It has a 4,230 milliamp hour battery, so that's as much as their C1 from last year, and that had extremely great battery life. It could go up to like 2 days. I'm hoping with their battery optimization and everything that this one can also go up to 2 days. So that's our early preview or first impressions of the Realme 3. So stay tuned to our full review on our website, and also our video review on YouTube and Facebook. So be sure to subscribe and follow our pages. So this is coming from Stuff. I'll see you guys next time.